What is up? Dane, Market Scalper D. Little bit of a bear trap on the open, right? You found some heavy support right there, 935. What a nice clean trade right up there to some consolidation. Boom, they're hitting some stop losses, getting you out before the next level. You can see right there, right before 11, you get your next leg up. Let's see some of these profits being made by the bulls. The 7510 strikes I was looking at earlier. You can see major gains in the market. Man, this is a great way to hedge your position. You can see right here at 945, that contract was 233 bucks. Boom, right there, a little bit of that shakeout. And you can see if you had enough courage to kind of hold through and read that price action, just get better at it, you know. Make sure you're marking your levels. Make sure you're using support and resistance. You can see right here, it rocketed from 500. A little bit of another shakeout right there to hit some more stops. And boom, right now you're at 1,335. Not bad returns for the day, right? How to turn 200 bucks or so, 250 into over 1,000, right? 1,345. I will be selling this all day long right here. I mean, I would be out. There's no reason to be holding bags and take your profit. Make sure that you analyze the market using and waiting for a lot of these consolidation levels. Read your price action. And then look at the puts. The puts have been completely annihilated right now. Look at the 7, 5, 10 puts. You can see right here, they're holding bags. I mean, they got completely destroyed. 935, if you're holding that contract, it was $5,800 and completely destroyed. Boom, down to 2,000 level. And now they're on the next one. This is starting to look like a good entry on the bearish side. You can see right here, you'd be in for $665. If the price falls a little bit on the SPX index, I mean, you know, and gets back to these levels, you'd be right back at the 1,300 level and possibly being able to toss that contract along for the 2,200 level. So I'm going to be watching that myself. Not financial advice, you know. Zero DTEs are extremely high risk, but where can you make rewards like this? Where can you turn, you know, $200 to $300 into over 1,000? This is how you do it, just using the option chain. I'm more of a high risk, high reward trader. But of course, as you go out further in dates, you're buying yourself more time to be right by price, but not a bad level to look at, right? I mean, let's say you went in 10 contracts on that strike. You'd be sitting at, on 10 contracts, you're at 13,911 for the more experienced traders. But, you know, always start with one if you're new to options. I'm not trading this today myself, but I may be trying to get on some of the bearish action if that price starts to turn. But other than that, you know, this is how they do it. How do you make big returns in the stock market? You can see right here, some of the heavier traders with bigger accounts are probably doing 200 contracts. You know, you really have to pay attention to the open interest on the option chain. But what a great way to make some money. I mean, where can you turn 233 bucks into 1,400? This is how you do it. You know, get in, learn options, get in on the action, and then don't get caught holding bags. There's no reason to be greedy when you're up this kind of money, even on a single contract. Take care, traders. Talk to you soon.